In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure a validation rule to approve Bitcoin payment type in FraudLabs Pro. Let's go to FraudLabsPro.com. Before getting started, you will need a FraudLabs Pro account to configure the rule. Kindly click on Try for Free button to sign up for a free account if you do not have one. Let's click on Login. Fill in your details to log in to your FraudLabs Pro Merchant dashboard page. Go to Rules. Let's add a rule by clicking on Add Rule. Search using payment keyword and then select payment mode equal to list below. Choose Bitcoin for the value field. Then, select Approve for the action field. If your online store supports multiple payment types, you can set a higher precedence rule to always approve the Bitcoin payment. The higher the rule, the earlier it will be triggered. So, just move your Bitcoin rule upwards to make it become a higher rule. FraudLabs Pro checks the validation rules starting from the first rule to the last one in the sequence. For more information about how the validation sequence works, you may click on this link to learn more. Once you are happy with the rule configuration, save your rule. Thanks for watching.